Types of cell referencing in Excel: relative and absolute. Hello there. Today we are going to learn about the relative and absolute cell referencing in Excel. Cell referencing is a term used to refer to the cell addresses when using them in a formula. There are three types of cell referencing: relative, absolute, and mixed. Let us learn about relative and absolute referencing. Let's first launch the Excel application and open the document that we are going to work on. When the cell references in a formula change according to the row or column where the formula is copied, the cell referencing is called relative referencing. Suppose we are performing some calculation on data in different columns in a table, then cell references will change for each column. The formula would be the same, but its cell references would change. Let's understand this with an example. Here is Adya's grocery bill. Let us find the amount Adya pays for each item. For this, we should multiply the price with the quantity. For sugar, the formula would be B3 multiplied by C3. For wheat flour, it would be B4 multiplied by C4. When you copy the formula from D3 to D4, the cell referencing changes. Notice how it changes for the remaining data when we use the fill handle. This is now relative for the cell references of the cells that are being multiplied. Hence, it is called relative referencing. Next, we have absolute referencing. In absolute referencing, the cells are referred by their fixed or absolute position in the worksheet. In this case, when a fixed value is to be used in the calculation, the particular cell reference has a $sign before the column letter and the row number. In our example, suppose the shopkeeper plans to give a discount of 5%, which is 0.05. Then discounted amount in each cell would be the total amount multiplied by the discount. Here, for cell E3, the formula would be A11 multiplied by D3. When this is copied to E4, it will become A12 multiplied by D4. But for E4, it should be A11 multiplied by D4. So, the formula we should write in E3 is $A, $11 multiplied by D3 and copy it to the rest of the cells. Notice that the cell reference remains fixed for cell A11. Thus, it is called absolute referencing. Cell referencing allows us to update the data in a worksheet without having to rewrite the formulas. Wasn't that quick and simple? Try them in your lab sessions. Thank you.